If you're wondering what the statute of limitations is for a car accident or a truck accident case in South Carolina, then you're at the right place. The truth is, yes, there is a definite deadline on your car accident case. And if you miss it, it doesn't matter how strong your claim is, the court will throw it out. That's the statute of limitations. And in South Carolina, you need to know exactly how the statute of limitations laws work. I'm Robert Goins. I am an attorney here at the Goins Law Firm. In South Carolina, the general statute of limitations for a car accident personal injury claim is 3 years. And that is 3 years from the date of the collision. That means you have 1 year, 2 years, 3 full years to file a lawsuit. And if you don't, your rights to sue are completely stopped. It's gone. The clock stops, your case is over completely. And so it's important to file your case within the 3-year time frame. It doesn't mean that your case has to be over in those 3 years, but you have to start the clock within 3 years of the date of the collision. Now, 3 years does sound like a plenty of time. And in many cases, it probably is. But here's what people don't realize when they're in the middle of recovering from an accident. Building a strong case takes longer than you would think. You need to finish your medical treatment. We need to gather those records, gather the lost wage documentation, investigate liability, communicate with witnesses that know what you've been through and how it's affected your life. And oftentimes we have to hire expert witnesses. All of this takes months, sometimes over a year, sometimes several years. And if you wait too long to start the process, you might be rushing at the end. And we all know that rushing can hurt your case. There are some exceptions about the statute of limitations that's worth knowing about, by the way. And in certain cases, that involves governmental entities. The notice requirements are much shorter, sometimes as little as 2 years. Also, if the injury wasn't discovered immediately, what South Carolina calls as the discovery rule, the clock might start later. And for minors, the statute may be told until they reach the age of majority. But here's my practical advice. Don't play the clock. Don't count on those exceptions. The sooner you start, the sooner you hire an experienced attorney, the better your evidence may be, the stronger leverage that you have, and the more options will become available to you. Early action means that you're not pressured into a bad settlement because of time limitations or because the time is running out. I handled a case recently where someone waited 2.5 years before calling us. And although we did get it filed, the case would have been much stronger if they would have come in and visited us early so we could have gotten started earlier to make the case better. So if you're thinking about your case, my best and most honest advice is not to wait. Give us a call, shoot us a text. The number is 803-350-9230. Please know that timing matters, and getting started sooner rather than later will put you in a much better financial position.